Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your AirPods to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. Doesn't matter what 17 you have, this is how you connect in any airport to your iPhone. For that, just bring your iPhone and AirPods together, like open it, and you will see the option here. Let me just take it out from the case. I bought this case to protect my AirPods, but my AirPods actually, I don't know, it's because of the case or something. It's still like dirty. So when you open that, you will see this connect, type on connect, and the back side, there's a button here. Just press and hold it. When you do that, yep, that's how you connect it. And this says the owner of this item is another person. So yeah, I am actually the other person. Click OK. And if you want to have personalized a special audio, you can do that. The iPhone, you can use your iPhone to scan your ear, like for special audio. I don't want to do it now, just not now. And that's it. Now our AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Just take it out. Take one out and put it in you here. And when you put that, you will see few settings here actually if you want them. Sometimes they are useful, like this one, announce calls and notifications. That's useful. I always just do that, announce calls and notifications. And if you want to go to airport settings as well, when you connect to airports, you can find the settings in the settings. So when you go to settings, you will see your AirPods Pro. Find my here, tap on it. And in here, you got the Apple Intelligence for live translation here as well. If your phone is actually iOS 26, you will see that. And you can give a name to your airport, and you got the listening mode, different listening mode, which one you want to use. Hear assistance if you need that on your airport. And this how you use the press and hold AirPods. Select if you press and hold the left one. It will change the listening mode. And if you can just put any other option. Like if you go right, you can just select whether listening mode or Siri. You can select one of them. Like I mostly do for left, I use listening mode. For right, I use the Siri. And as well, there are call controls as well. Like how do you want to answer a call? You can answer by pressing once, mute, unmute, and call, and also camera control. If you want to take pictures using airports, you can do that. And I've got a few options here, might be useful for you. And one thing else is that the head gestures I find really useful, like answering call by head gesture. If you want to answer call by head gesture, just tap on it here. Now, turn it on. So this how you want to accept, or reply. Up and down will accept and reply the call. And if you decline or dismiss it, just from site to site, it will just do that. So that's it. That's how you can set up and connect your AirPods to your iPhone and, just go for some settings that you like. And thank you for watching.